So history unfolded at Caymanas Park today, as for the first time in the 65-year history of horse racing, the 3 stewards involved in the disqualification fiasco suspended from duties for 6 months and are to receive further training and refresher courses, etc. But question, these active stewards need refresher courses. If they say are the wrong horse, them disqualified? I mean, none of the millions of Jamaican racing fans and non-racing fans who saw the replay of this race, we never do no refresher course. This is a plain and straight that the initial infraction took place when My Sunshine, ridden by Omar Walker, drifted into the path of Take a Punt, ridden by Samantha Fletcher, and that whatever happened after that was null and void, irrelevant. No matter. I tell you what, them don't need no refresher course. Yes. Them don't need no, this they need. They need glasses. Hold on, China one. No, China. They need glasses, man. No, try this one. The stewards, they need glasses. Yeah, this they need. Stewards, they need glasses.